Are you looking for the best camping tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best camping tables that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FiveJoy folding camping table. This folding table was my initial and first camping table. I have used it for decades and only replaced it because I needed something new. Otherwise, I have no complaint about it whatsoever. In fact, as I write this review, the table is being used at home for various other activities and is still in a tip-top condition. I decided to check out a different brand for personal reasons and would recommend this camping table to anyone who values quality and durability. The extremely foldable design makes it compact and perfect for movement and transportation, while its lightweight construction adds to the unique design. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table. This is a compact camping table, coming with top quality and field-tested chairs. The convenience with which this table brings is unparalleled. The high-quality material used in its construction makes it incredibly sturdy, giving years of top-level performance and incredible results. If you want to have excellent results without having to spend a fortune, then this would be a great camping table for you. In fact, the folding design is unlike any other camping table I have used in the past. It folds easily and comfortably without forcing you to apply extreme pressure and force. Additionally, I'd recommend this camping table for its aluminum frame and tabletop, which gives it unmatched durability and high performance. At number 3, we have the Trekology portable camping side tables. Just like its earlier sibling, I found this camping table highly reliable. The all-purpose and ergonomic construction makes it perfect for various activities such as camping, backpacking, and picnic, or even hiking. Whether you're a hiker, a camper, or a backpacker, this is an incredible product for you. With every purchase covered by a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee, this isn't one of those others you purchase and dump in your garage after it breaks down on the first day. The compact, lightweight, and portable design make this camping table lighter than most camping tables. At number 2, we have the Adams Manufacturing White 8500 48-3700 Plastic Quik-Fold Side Table. Adams Manufacturing's camping table is another product that got me reconsidering my choice. The ideal size makes it perfect for use with most patio seats, making it suitable for a family day out or any outdoor adventure. With an ideal weight rating of 25 pounds, you'll find it extremely portable. And yes, I also love the durable resin material used in its construction. With this material, peeling and rusting are not terms you'll be using anytime soon. Of course, rotting is also out of the equation. With quick and almost instant folding for convenient storage, this product will ensure that you camp comfortably and conveniently. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lifetime Height Adjustable Craft Camping Table. By Lifetime, this would have been my top pick if Alps Mountaineering hadn't caught my attention. It features powder-coated steel and high-grade polyethylene plastic for unrivaled durability. The extra sturdy construction makes this camping table one of its kind. The size and dimensions of 48 by 24 inches make sure that you have enough space for the entire family. And yes, the fact that it folds in half makes storage and transport quite easy. Given its unique design, this item is a must-have item for any camping enthusiast. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.